Hi guys, in this video I am explaining the functions and features of 6-digit weight indicator ECLC10A model. In this module basically used for industrial weight applications. It comes with 6-digit segment display and status indication LED with user interface buttons. It's specially designed for panel mount cutoff option. In this module, operated in a 24-volt DC power supply, it comes with 4-wire load cell with RS-485 communications. In additionally, special feature for digital input tare option. Now, let's see the functions of ECLC10A weight indicator. Now, we connect the module for proper load cell setup. Now, switch on the power module. Initially showing the weight 0 because we not applied that weight. Some case showing incorrect weight in load cell indicator. The reason is to change the load cell or connect the new load cell, we will be connecting incorrect weight. So need to calibrate that load cell. So calibration process is a 3-step process. First one is tare. Second step is enter the reference weight and apply the weight to load cell. The final one is calibrate that weight. The tare function is comes with 3 different types. The first type is a digital input method. The second one is a button method. The third one is a registers method. It's a tare register is a PB00. To enter the register, to use ENT button, it will be move the PB00 register. It's a tare register. To enter that register, it's initially on. It's that change that mode. It will be enter on, then go automatically going to off. Now module tare. Use to escape button to exit that register. Second step is enter the reference weight and apply the weight to load cell. The reference weight register is a PB02. Going to PB02 register. Move to this button. It will be moving cursor to left or right. Use this increment and decrement button to change the values in weight indicator. We are using 750 gram reference weight to calibrate. So enter that reference weight and apply the weight to load cell. Now calibrate that weight. The calibration register is a PB01. It's a calibrate register. To enter the register, it's initially going to on. To change the status on, then automatically going to off. Now showing exact weight. Now we can use different weight will be show exact weight. has one more feature: change the decimal places in this value. The decimal places register is PB05. Sorry, it's a PB03. It will be used in 3. Now the decimal places is a 0. Now showing only 750. We need to change that. It will be going to 1. It's a 75.0. We will use 2. It's a 7.50. We will use 3. It's a 0.750. It has one additional feature of minimum weight change option. It has used to 1. It will be change that value to 10. Every updates in a 0.010 grams. It will be depends to change the decimal places. It will be, we will use decimal point as 0. Now the minimum weight change is 10. Now using 8, showing that value is 752. Now using that 10, it will be 750. Now using 9, so 756. It will be every 9 grams will change that weight. Every 9 grams change that update. Minimum value is 1. Now it will be showing 750 grams.